guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So yeah, what I quickly want to check out, what I want to sort out is, like I've mentioned before, I've got this light on top of the roof inside that I quickly want to check if I can't wire it, just make it work. But I'll show you the guys the process that I'm going to follow just by wiring it and removing all the panels and things like that. So let me get started with that, and then we'll see what's going for what. So first of all, what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the roof. As some of the 280ZX's has got a roof like this. The other ones, it's just a normal plain one where there's no windows or anything in it. Then once I remove that, here in the inside, I've got this panel, so I'll remove that bolt there, the bolt here, same as that side. I know it's a bit dark, but remove that bolt, and after I'm done with that, this roof on the inside also has got a bolt in there, and then same as that side, and then as well as it's got a bolt there. So then I'll be removing this rubber, this complete rubber for the windows. I don't know if you can see there, that complete rubber, and then as well this panels and that side. So let me get that done, and then as soon as I'm done with that, I can just show you the next step that I'm going to take. As you can see, I've removed that complete panel. And as well as this bottom piece that comes in here. It looks like that. So I've removed that as well because it basically wedges this thing in here. And yeah, I've also removed the a piece of carpet that was on top of the car, so that there's more light, so you guys can see more. But anyway, let's continue with that. So next thing, what I'm going to do here on this, I'm going to remove this bolts right here, that side, and then as well remove this clippy. You'll see there's also one there, a bolt in there, so also remove that one, and then the one for the mirror as well, remove those 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to basically remove all of this front ones. It's this 2 bolts there, 1 bolt there, 3 bolts here, 1 bolt there, and then as well as 3 bolts there. So I'm quickly going to remove those ones. And then also here in the inside, there's, if you look at it like this, there's one just on top here. I'm going to remove that one. And then as well, that side, there's another one right here. And then this one light, you don't have to stress too much about it because it doesn't have bolts in here. But if you look down, you find this light. You can basically just press this light on the side, on the plastic, and then it will come out. Then you've got another one there to remove, and then as well you've got a bolt there at the back, and then as well as this side, so that you can remove this whole panel. And then as well, I'll show you guys now at the back once we get there to also remove the bolts there at the back. So I'm quickly going to remove those ones so that we can get this whole roof out to redo the wiring for both of these lights. Okay, so I've removed most of the bolts. It's just that one I left it, and then as well as that one, because I don't want it to fall down while I'm working. So while we are there, we'll go here at the back. Just move up. As you have got this panel basically right here, so you've got a bolt right there, and then also that side you've got another bolt. And then as soon as that one is removed, there's another bolt there, if you can see it, as well as that side. And then we're gonna remove this whole cover, complete cover. And then once that's done out, we're gonna start wiring it from this side to that side, and we'll continue on with that. So as you can see, here I've got basically the raw roof. I just put the wires in as well. So just to show you guys how I did the wiring, remember now, there's a positive for the light and the negative, as they always need one, that goes to a switch, and then from here it just goes to a plug. And then because I want this light and that light to work together, I'm just joining the wires together. The earth comes together as one, as well as the power. So now if you go and test it, if I put my battery here and I put my the earth on the earth, just excuse me while I'm working with one hand and taking a video with another. So there we go, we've got to put the earth in there, and then we put the positive. As you can see there, both of them are working. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna wrap it up, use some insulation tape just to make it nice and neat. And then what I want to do is I want to see how it's going to work on the door switches, because I would love it to come on when you open the door, one of the doors or the boot. So yeah, I'll just cover this up quickly, and then I'm gonna put it back inside the car, put the bolts and everything back, and then from there I'll see how the panel, the switches work that goes onto the door, so that I can run this lights on the switches of the doors and the boot. As you guys can see now, that one is working, that one is working. I'm just holding it here with the battery now plugged in there. So now, I don't know, it's going to be difficult to show you, but now let's see, going to switch it off here. There, it's switched off, so now it's not working. And then, sorry, you can switch it on again, back on, and then the same as this one, you can switch it off, and then again you can switch it on. Sorry for the way that I showed you guys now. Like I said, just that one hand is busy holding here, and then the other hand must hold the camera, and as well must hold the switch off the thingies. But yeah, guys, that's all that I'm gonna do for today. As you can see, I'm a bit of running out of time, and I don't have much things that I can do now because of all of the stores and everything that's closed. So I'm just trying to do something to keep you guys up posted for what I'm busy with. So yeah, hopefully the next video I'll for sure make it longer, because then all the shops and all the stores will be open and I will be able to carry on. But anyway, guys, if you've enjoyed watching my content, what I made today, please don't forget to leave a like, and then also don't forget to subscribe. And then guys, remember, quite shortly when I'm off again, we will be taking the Nissan to the dyno. and as well we will be exchanging the exhaust and a few other things as well. And then I was also thinking about maybe making like not a joyride, but for example make videos, for example, where my friends are driving with me in the car, maybe my dad, maybe my mother, and just showing their reactions once it comes off the dyno. And then also want to do some shows quite soon, whenever it starts again. And then also another thing what I wanted to ask you guys is, I don't know if you would like it, let's say for example I can't go to a show or racing with any of my cars. If you guys would have liked it for me, let's say we go to a drag event and I just make videos of the day, the full day of the drag event. If you would like it, please let me know in the comments. But most of the time, like I said, if I can't go with a Nissan, I will be going with my Scirocco. So it's not like I won't, but just for the in case, I would just like to know if you guys would like it or not. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Enjoy, please look after yourself, God bless, and enjoy your day. Be safe, look after yourself. Cheers guys.